Chapter 2: Crowdsourcing Tips and Best Practices. Chapter 2: Objective: General tips and best practices that apply to all forms of crowdsourcing. Now that you know what you can crowdsource and the general steps involved, you're ready to start. But before you launch your crowdsourcing campaign, here are some tips and best practices to follow. Here are the 6 tips and practices we will discuss. Promoting your crowdsourcing campaign. Take advantage of social media features. Make it easy to participate. Offer an incentive. Update your participants. Make important decisions in-house. Promote your crowdsourcing campaign. You should promote your crowdsourcing campaign across all of your marketing channels. Even if you're doing your crowdsourcing through Facebook alone, make sure you promote it on your website, your blog, and your other social media channels as well. In addition to getting more participants, you also promote your various channels in the process. For example, if you tell your blog readers about your Twitter contest, they may start following you on Twitter if they don't already. You should time your promotion so that it starts well before the launch of your crowdsourcing project. This allows you to build some buzz before the campaign actually gets started. Take advantage of social media features. Social media offers plenty of features to help you with crowdsourcing. You should consider these as you create your campaign. For example, Facebook has a contests feature, which allows you to easily create contests. Surveys and polls are also easy to do on social media. Another essential feature that nearly all social media sites use is hashtags. Hashtags are keywords preceded by the hashtag symbol. Essentially, hashtags are search terms. You can use any term as a hashtag, from your company name to a current trend. Examples of hashtags include hashtag new music, hashtag dog lovers, and hashtag iPhone 6. People will find your crowdsourcing campaign more easily through searches if you use these terms in your written content on social media. Make it easy to participate. Make it as easy as possible whatever you ask people to do in your crowdsourcing project. This is why polls with multiple choice options are so effective. The participant only has to choose which option they like best. You'll have less participation when you have a more complex task, such as taking a picture with your product. Always consider the effort the participant puts into a task when you set it up. Offer an incentive. You'll get more participation if you can offer some type of incentive. Try to find something that doesn't cost you much or anything at all, such as free access to exclusive content or a digital information product. If you're running a contest, you can offer a reward for the winner or a series of rewards. For example, you might have a big reward for the top 5, a smaller reward for the top 10, and so on. Update your participants. Keep your participants updated on how the campaign is going. Share the other ideas that are coming in or offer updated poll results to show which option is winning. This makes it more exciting for your participants and gives them a reason to check in and stay engaged during the project duration. Make important decisions in-house. This is a tip that companies often fail to heed. You should make any major final decisions in-house. Have your marketing team, or yourself if you're a solo entrepreneur, choose the best option or have the final say on a design. If you let your participants vote on their favorite idea, make the final decision yourself. The wisdom of the crowd is not infallible. Action steps. Brainstorm what kind of content you can have your users submit and all of the ways you can use it. Take one of the above ideas and consider how you could use it with your audience. In the next chapter, you will learn crowdsourcing mistakes to avoid.